excited. I don't know what's down in Clarendon. We've been down there one time before. We're staying at the same hotel. We stayed at the Marriott Bonvoy. We went out to Don Tito's. It's like a Mexican spot. It's got a rooftop, and ate out at this late night spot, like pizza and pupusas and stuff like that. So hopefully find some cool stuff to check out. Maybe get something to eat, some drinks. Maybe give you guys a little tour of the hotel. Let's go. And they have a parking garage, so you just take your key card and stick it right in there. So now we're at the Marriott Bonvoy, heading to our room. She's unhappy right now because she's cold. We're on our way to the Theodore Roosevelt Island. Right now, this walk is so cold. There's the pedestrian bridge. We're gonna keep going straight through like the woods. You can actually see statue that's there, and it's pretty awesome.
So after the island, we made our way back to the hotel and got ready for the evening. We met up with my sister and her husband for dinner at Galaxy Hut, a nice little dive bar where you can substitute everything on the menu for a vegan. That's exactly what we did. We got the frickin' sandwich and the cheesesteak. The tater tots were awesome. My sister got the grilled cheese and her husband got the burger. We finished up our food and quickly made our way to Don Tito's to meet up with some old friends and grab some drinks. This place is awesome. It's a nice little Mexican place with great music and even better drinks. We casually made our way over to Spider Kelly's next door, where you can play billiards, arcade games, or just dance. And of course we had to grab pizza at Goody's to end the night. After some coffee in the morning, we grabbed some breakfast at District Taco, right next to the hotel in walking distance before checking out. On our way home, we made a pit stop at Gravelly Point Park. You can stop here right off the GW Parkway, where you can see all the airplanes take off from Reagan National Airport. I highly recommend checking out Arlington. If I only had 24 hours to spend it, this is how I would do it.